So I have this fantastic electric skateboard for you, and wow, just look at the price. This would be the perfect gift for someone that's just starting out their e-skate journey, or if you're a seasoned rider looking for a good longboard to commute to work or school, or just go cruising through the city. This is the Meepo V5, and let me just tell you all the specs on this.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and if you like that kind of stuff, you're new here, don't be a stranger. And I'll put the links to everything down in the description, plus maybe some coupon codes if that's needed, and a surprise link. So this is the Meepo V5, and it comes all put together for you, so you don't have to put it together. It also comes with a very tiny remote control, USB charging cord for the remote. It also comes with an instruction manual and a charger for the skateboard. But also it comes with this tool where you can adjust the trucks and other bits and bobs. So I've actually been riding this thing for a little while, and I have to say, it's very smooth. Like, I actually enjoy this a lot. It kind of feels like I'm snowboarding on the street because I'm just gliding and carving, and it's a little bit more carefree and fun. The deck consists of 8 layers of maple wood, which is flexible and strong, and it takes a max payload of 330 pounds. The deck is also widened for extra comfort, and there is a custom nose guard just in case you accidentally bump into something. I also like how they have an arrow here so that you know which way is forward. Yeah, sometimes you don't know and you go the wrong way, and that's kind of embarrassing. The whole thing is 17.5 pounds, so it's really easy to carry, and even easier with this handle cutout. Honestly, I wish that every board had this. This is like kind of the thing that I love the most, is the fact that this makes it so easy to carry. Like, lugging around electric skateboards can be a pain, but this makes it so easy. It makes me want to use this more because, like, really, this is a game changer for me. I love that. So you start this thing up by hitting the little power button, but also it gives you a good battery indicator as well, so you can check that on the fly. Or you could just slide this thing slightly with your foot and it will power it on and you're ready to go. The wheels are a nice 78A 90mm diameter, but if you want something even softer, you can check out some cloud wheels, which I'll be reviewing on this channel a little bit later. There are 2 500-watt motors, giving you some real power, but also keeping it semi-quiet. This can take you up to 29 miles per hour at the top speed, and 11 miles in range for the standard and 20 miles in range for the ER version. And that's all depending on the riding condition and the size of the rider. There are 4 different riding modes that you can go from beginner to pro, and that's probably the best advice that I ever got when I was first learning it. Scott Davies from the Deckhead Club.
Just take your time, start easy. Just honestly, everyone goes, oh, I'm gonna go straight to high mode. Start on low mode, get bored, and then go to the next speed mode. Because if you go too fast too soon, you will fall off.
Get bored and then go to the next speed mode. The trucks on here have a 5th generation shredder for nice Argyle curves, and you can also turn on a dime. Like, you can make some really sharp turns on this thing. The remote is small and pocket size, and you can control the acceleration and braking, change modes, and you can see your battery status and even adjust those braking levels for a smoother brake or a faster brake. And to kind of put a bow on this, I've ridden a lot of electric skateboards, a lot of them similar to this one and from different price points. And I have to say, I actually had the most fun on this one. This one was just a great ride. But even my wife, who doesn't e-skate a lot, she took this thing out and she was just enjoying it so much that, yeah, I might not be able to keep this for myself because this is going to be her board. So if you are interested, there is a great sale going on right now, and check out that link in the description to find it. Like I said, it's a solid board, and Meepo is a reputable company, so it'd be a great gift for yourself or for someone else. But thanks so much for watching today's video. I have a lot of other really great products to share with you coming up very soon. There's some really cool stuff coming up, and also those cloud wheels that are coming in that I'm going to put on this Meepo board and kind of see a difference if it's really worth having cloud wheels or not. So stay tuned for all of that and more, and thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.